Hi there crochet friend, my name is Janina and I'm an artist who loves to write patterns for crochet plushies, and today I want to show you how to make Spencer the Sperm, which is just such a funny little guy, and I feel like he's the perfect little funny gift for like your boyfriend, your husband, your girlfriend, your wife, anything like that. He can be made in like 15 minutes and it's no sew, so just keep on watching if you want to learn how to make him. So to make your little sperm you need some white size 4 chenille yarn as well as some pink, then a 3.5mm hook, 10mm safety eyes, a yarn needle, a stitch marker and polyfill. Round 1 of our sperm is a magic ring, and into that magic ring we are going to make 6 single crochet. Round 2 will be a round of increases, so we are doing 6 increases. An increase are 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So you can see I'm doing 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and I'm repeating this 6 times throughout the round. For round 3 we are going to do a single crochet, and I'm going to mark every first stitch of each round with a stitch marker and then an increase. So again 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Then again I'm going to do a single crochet and an increase, and I'm going to repeat this throughout the round 6 times total. For round 4 we are going to do nearly the same as the last round. We are going to make 2 single crochet. So I made my first one here, now I'm going to make my second one and then an increase. And I'm going to repeat this 6 times total. So again 2 single crochet and then an increase. And yeah, as I said, 6 times, 2 single crochet and an increase, and then you'll be finished with the round and you'll have 24 stitches total. For round 5 until round 7 we are going to do 3 rounds of single crochet only. So we are going to do, like, round 5 will be a round of only 24 single crochets, and I'm like starting here and I'm meeting you at the end. So here's my end, this is my first round, and I'm going to repeat this for 2 more rounds. I now have all of my 3 rounds crochet. As you can see, I have 3 rounds of single crochet done now. Now we are going to place our safety eyes between round 6 and 7, so I'm going to count. So this is round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after round 6, between round 6 and 7, I'm going to place my safety eye and I'm going to secure it. And then I'm going to repeat this exact same thing for the other side. So again, placing my safety eye between round 6 and 7 on the other side, and I am securing it. If you have a tight tension, it could be that your piece looks a bit like a cone. In this case, you can just stretch it out a bit. For round 8, we are going to make our first single crochet, place our stitch marker, make our second single crochet, and then we are doing our first decrease, which we put our hook through the first 2 front loops of the next 2 stitches, pull a loop, yarn over and pull a loop. Showing it again in a second. So after 2 single crochets, I'm doing a decrease, so through the 2 front loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pulling through again. And we are going to continue this throughout the round. So 2 single crochet, and after 2 single crochet, a decrease. And this 6 times total until we hit the end of the round. Round 9 is just going to be 18 single crochet throughout the whole round again. For round 10 we are going to make a single crochet, place our stitch marker and then do a decrease. And we are going to repeat this throughout the round 6 times total until we hit the end of the round. This will leave us with 12 stitches. Round 11 is going to be a round of single crochet only again, so we are going to do 12 single crochet throughout the round. After round 11 you can now take your polyfill and stuff your sperm very firmly. Round 12 will be a round of decreases only, so we are going to make 6 decreases throughout the round, leaving us with 6 stitches at the end of the round. With round 13 we are going to start crocheting the tail, and after our first single crochet and placing the stitch marker, we're going to make another single crochet in the same stitch, so an increase. Next we're going to make a single crochet, then an increase again, so 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Then we're going to make another single crochet in the next stitch, and in the last 2 stitches we're going to make a decrease. Round 14 will be a round of 5 single crochets and a decrease. So we're making 1 single crochet, placing our stitch marker, then our second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, and then a decrease, which leaves us with 6 stitches at the end of the round. Round 15 is going to be a single crochet around round, so we're just placing 6 single crochet throughout the round. For round 16 we're going to make a single crochet again, place our stitch marker and make another single crochet in the same stitch to make an increase. Then we're going to make a single crochet in the next, an increase in the next, a single crochet in the next, and ending the round with a decrease, leaving us with 7 stitches. For round 17 we are going to again make 5 single crochet throughout the round. So I'm just making my first one, placing the stitch marker, continuing with 4 more single crochets and ending the round with a decrease, which leaves us with 6 stitches at the end of the round. For round 18 we are again just going to single crochet around, so we're just placing 6 single crochets throughout the round. For round 19, which is the last round, we are going to make a decrease around, so we are just placing 3 decreases throughout the round, which leaves us with 3 stitches. But we are now also going to finish off and pulling the yarn through. As finishing touches, you can like form your tail. We have not stuffed it, so it's like a little bit squishy, so you can form it the way you want it to. And then I'm just going to be weaving in the end, forming it again. And as a very last step, I'm taking a piece of pink yarn and I'm going to embroider some blush for Spencer. So I'm just going over the cheeks over 1 stitch below the eye like 3 times with my yarn, so that like the blush is thick. And then I'm going to repeat this on the other side with the same piece of yarn. So I'm going over it once, twice, and 3 times total. Bringing my yarn to the end where I started, so that I can now knot it and secure it. I can now cut the yarn and hide the tail inside the Spencer, which then leaves him finished. So you guys, there we go. Now you have your little Spencer the Sperm all finished and ready to be gifted to one of your friends. If you liked the tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to check out my Etsy store for all the other patterns that I'm designing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and for making Spencer. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!